Hi everybody, this is radgcrypto channel. Welcome again to the channel that talks about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Litecoin and everything in between. I've found some interesting stuff yesterday and today. Currently Bitcoin is holding above 9,000 US dollars. This is amazing. And according to the coin360.com, a lot of the cryptocurrencies also following and appreciating in value. Right now it shows Bitcoin is about $9,115. What I wanted to talk about is, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor, and the usual stuff, whatever you think you can invest in cryptocurrencies, I'm not advising you to. You have to make your own due diligence and make sure you can invest whatever you can afford to lose. That means if tomorrow Bitcoin goes to zero, you're not going to cry, you're not going to feel bad, you're not going to feel sad or upset because, yeah, you invested $500, $100, whatever you could. And in the case you lose it, you're not going to be upset. For some people, that means $10,000. For some people, $50,000. I'm not one of those lucky ones. Anyway, what I wanted to say today, first of all, there's some talk about Bitcoin possibly reaching $60,000 by October this year. And there's some different opinions on if this is possible or not, but I'm just looking here at coinmap.org. Currently there's 15,006 venues in the world that accept some form of cryptocurrency, and the number keeps going up, and that's a very good sign, among other things that I noticed, which I wanted to go through with you. But first, you know this guy, the Fundstrat's Tom Lee. He is one of my favorite guys and talks about cryptocurrency. He understands really deeply what goes on there. He is saying basically Bitcoin is easily going to reach new highs. And in his comments, Lee said that Bitcoin is becoming the reserve currency of the cryptocurrency space, and noted that it has been worth over $9,000 price level in only 4% of its history. Then he declared, I think Bitcoin is easily going to take out its all-time highs. To that end, I also wanted to mention 8 Bitcoin indicators that predict perfect storm for crypto markets. And I'll just go quickly one by one. It's on the cryptobriefing.com website. But so there's signal number 1. The number of active Bitcoin wallet addresses surged past 1 million late last week for the first time since November 2017. This is really amazing. Signal number 2. Network hash rate reached all-time high of 62 quintillion hashes per second on Friday of last week. This represented a near 60% increase in hash rate from the yearly low it fell to in December. So there's many more people and companies are mining Bitcoin. What else? Signal number 3. On the institutional side, though the last of CBOE's Bitcoin futures will expire on Wednesday, interest in crypto derivatives has never been higher. Signal number 4. Regulated trading platforms like CME and crypto facilities, as well as the unregulated BitMEX exchange, have all reported that volume for their Bitcoin futures practically doubled between April and May. This is all the signs of a perfect storm coming for Bitcoin in a positive way. And signal number 5, more providers are coming onto the scene. In a recent update, Adam White said the company will initiate user testing for its own regulated Bitcoin derivatives on July 22nd. This launch would usher in a new standard for accessing crypto markets. That means that more regular people are going to be able to purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which means much, much more funds, trillions of dollars are going to be coming into this crypto space. Right now, the overall crypto space is about $280 billion. So this can only increase over time as we near the July 22nd. Signal number 6. The institutions could play a crucial role in fueling the rally. The longer a positive trend continues, the more momentum builds behind it, meaning eventual price and sentiment likely to be higher the longer it goes on for. Signal number 7. The sentiment is already pushing into new territory. Joshua Frank, a crypto analytics provider, says that the market is currently in its most prolonged period of positive sentiment from a long-term perspective. If sentiment remains positive from a long-term perspective and tweet volumes continue to rise, we expect that Bitcoin will continue to appreciate. Signal number 8. At current hash rates, Bitcoin block rewards are scheduled to halve from 12.5 to 6.25 Bitcoins sometimes in May 2020. This will be a significant reduction in supply combined with increased demand from additional on-chain activity. And this would be almost like a supply shock. All of these signs lead to one inevitable conclusion. For some, they say it might go all the way up to 60,000 within this year for the Bitcoin, 60,000 US dollars. And for some, it could go even higher. But chances are very good that it's going to be surpassing its all-time high of 20-something thousand dollars back in December of 2018. So this is all for what I wanted to say for today. Make sure, as I always say, to invest only what you can afford to lose. If you could, over time, try to accumulate at least one Bitcoin. Your future self was going to thank you. All the best. See you in the next video. Live longer and crypto prosper.